Hello, besties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, your girl, Wellness with Onyi. So, today I'm going to be sharing my night routine with you all. Yeah. Nobody really asked me, but I'm going to be sharing my night routine with you. So, make sure to like, subscribe, and save this video. And I would really love you to comment which of this routine are you going to add into your night routine, or what do you currently use for your night routine. So let's get started. Oh, I'm so excited, like so let's get started. So first off, I'm going to be starting with my gel cleanser. I'm going to be massaging it, but you should always make sure that you wash your hands before you start your skincare routine. So briefly, let me just tell you what set I'm using. It's the NovAge Plus Blemish and Age Defying set. So it helps to control blackheads, clog pores. Then also the Defy, it helps to smoothen out wrinkle line. Well, let me not bore you. The major thing is that it makes me take care of my pimples, acne, and at the same time it makes me younger. So this NovAge Plus, it works with bioactivation, whereby it's going to stimulate your skin cells to produce the amount of nutrients your skin needs. So it's from plant-based, very safe, very effective. The NovAge Plus is, I don't know how to rate it, but it's that set that is the 100 of 100. So you might not be wondering, okay, what I want to doing. This is me massaging the cleanser into my skin so that it can remove impurity from my skin pores, from my skin cells. So this, you should at least do this for like 3 to 5 minutes before you now get to wash off. This just helps to clean my face properly. And why we don't use soap and we use cleanser is because, soap is going to strip your skin of the natural oil. This one is going to hydrate your skin while cleansing it. So that's why I recommend you getting the NovAge Plus cleanser. So let's just wait for a while and let's just enjoy me do my thing. So after massaging, I'm going to wash off, then cleanse. So usually not this, I don't add this routine every night, but today is my max day, so I'm going to be adding this. So while applying my max and scrub, do you use the same scrub for your body and for your face? For those who are new to body care or you don't really know what I'm talking about in this video, so we exfoliate to open up our skin pores, we exfoliate to give that soft and that smoother skin, because at times once your skin pores is blocked, it can lead to acne, can lead to contamination. And when you exfoliate now, that's you open up your skin pores, it allows for better penetration of your moisturizer, of your other creams, and so that's why it's so important to do that. That's why it's so important. Different. See, if you're living in Nigeria and you're a content creator, you think, okay, let me shoot my content at night. But no, different things are just making noise. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So after I make sure that I've applied the max and scrub all over my face, everything is well spread, well even, I leave it. Then I like to dry. This drying now, if there's no external source of air or this thing, it might take up to 10 minutes, but I just wait for it to dry up. So once it dry, I'll wash, then clean it, then move to the next routine. So just like I said, after I wash off, I'm going to clean. I'm going to use my eye cream. So this eye cream helps with puffiness. It helps with dark circles around the eye area. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to be applying it around my eye. So normally the skincare is not even allowed to touch the eye area. It's just the eye cream that is allowed, but it has been formulated that it's safe for the eyes, though that does not mean you still put it directly into your eyes, you get. So I'm just going to gently massage it around my eye area. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to move to the next routine, which is my serum. I'm so excited because we've applied the cleanser, we've done my max and scrub, and now we're my eye cream. So just like I said, that the next is my serum. So this is my NovAge Plus Blemish serum. So I'm going to apply it. Actually, we use this morning and night, all over my face. I'm going to be applying it now on my face. So I think after the serum is going to be, because this is my night routine, if it's the daytime, it's going to be my day cream that contains SPF 30, but since is my night routine is going to be for treatment, that's my night cream that is going to be for treatment. So we all know that daytime, your day routine should be for protection against the UV of the sun and against the radiation you get once you step out during the day. Then for nighttime is your treatment. That's if you have acne, you have hyperpigmentation, what you choose to treat is your routine, your night routine. So day routine, whatever product you choose to use, but I vouch for Oriflame because I use Oriflame and it's giving me maximum result. So whatever product you choose to use, like I was saying, if it's daytime, it's to protect, and if it's for your night routine, it's always to treat. It's to treat your skin concerns, it's to treat that skin barrier, that skin concern that you have. I'm still applying my serum. I want to ask you, do you apply your skincare on your neck, behind your ears, or are you just that's just my face, sharp? You can let me know in the comment. So now this is the night cream I was telling you about, which is targeted to repair. That's to treat, to repair. So that's what the night routine should be all about. So it's your daytime that can have your serum. You get even most of the ingredients we use for treatment. That's for example, I think that's the retin A. You get another thing. The tretinoin is not even compatible with sunlight. So, but that's not what I'm using today. I'm using the NovAge Plus night cream. So if I still have you on this video till this point and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and comment and drop your concerns, anything you love me to talk about, what's next in this video. Another thing I'm going to be adding now is my cyclo roller. So this helps with blood circulation. This helps with better penetration of the skin care actives that I already have on my skin. That's for my moisturizer. So I'm just going to do this for a few minutes to allow for blood flow and to allow for the better penetration, just to gently massage it. Hello guys, I'm not going to this video because I intend to do a voiceover. I'm sure I was already doing a voiceover, but do you know what? This is the finishing touch for tonight. So I use this just twice. I use just twice in a week. It's for the helps to help with stress. Let's say you've had a stressful week, you've had a stressful day, you can always add this to your routine. So this is the overnight recharge max. So like I was trying to say is it helps to give that glow back. It helps to recharge back your skin. So I just use it just twice in a week, just 2 times in the night, to just help get back that soft glow, to help to recharge the skin cells of my face overnight. So you apply it out after applying your night cream. You don't have to rinse out or anything, just apply it, then you massage it into the skin to get the glow. I think that will be the end of my skincare routine. Which of these skincare routine will you be adding to your routine, or what is your own routine? What do you use? What do you think about mine? So let's meet in the comment section. And one more important thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye.